Hola! Almost done. 30 video number 30, video 30, 30, 30. We are two left and we are done with these videos. Yay! Okay, present progressive. When are we using the present progressive? It is used to say that an action is in progress at this moment. I am videotaping them or doing the videos. I am trying to teach you. I am speaking. I am doing something. Okay, so this is the present progressive. En español, how do we conjugate this verb? Or this tense? We always have to use estar. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. Always, don't forget. And we are the participio pasado. What is the participio pasado? Participio pasado is this. For the adverbs, we have to add ando to the, when we drop the AR, we form this verb. For example, I'm going to explain to you. Caminar. Caminar, we drop the AR, and then we add ando. So this is how we do the participio pasado. Same happens with the verbs finish with ER verbs. Viendo, we add yendo, and the IR verbs, we add the same ending, yendo. Okay? So for the AR verbs, ando, ER verbs, and IR verbs, yendo, yendo. This is the past participle of the participio pasado. When we use this, when we are trying to say something in present progressive, we use estar plus this form of the verb. Roberto is skating in the park. Roberto está, estar, he or she, form, patinar, ella verb, patinando en el parque. If he was drinking milk in the park, we would say, Roberto está bebiendo en el parque. Or if Roberto was like living in the park, viviendo en el parque, Roberto está viviendo en el parque. I hope it doesn't happen. Okay, so estar plus AR verbs, descending, ER verbs, descending, and IR verbs. So this has two parts, the same as in English. Is doing something, is doing, is talking, is walking, is listening, is sleeping. When the stem of ER and IR verbs end in a vowel, then you have to change the vowel because we change this I into Y. Leer, here we have vowel. Okay, so this becomes a Y. Leyendo. Roberto está leyendo. O la profesora está explicando. So here, remember, if the verb in the ER or IR form end with a vowel here, okay, like leer, here, sorry, leer, we have to change the I into a Y. And then more irregular things. Stem changing verbs change into E into I. Okay, remember stem changing verbs or boot verbs? They are the ones that have the change in the middle because one vowel becomes another one. So pedir, we will say pidiendo. Servir, sirviendo. These are stem changing verbs or boot verbs. Another thing, other verbs that have a vowel change are decir, diciendo, venir, viniendo, dormir, durmiendo, saying, coming, sleeping, asking for, and serving. Okay? These are the verbs that have a change. But now, remember that in the previous video we were talking about the reflexive verbs. Here, when we are using reflexive verbs with this tense, present progressive, I'm doing something, I'm having a shower, I'm combing my hair, and I am getting dressed, then we have to write the pronoun. Remember, o before the conjugated verb, or we add this at the end of the other verb, okay? Me estoy vistiendo, I am getting dressed, o estoy vistiéndome. So me can be at the beginning of the sentence or at the end. If it goes here at the end or next to the verb, we have to attach it to the verb and it becomes one word. Okay? Present progressive needs two parts when we are conjugating it. Estar in the person, estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están, plus the past participle of the verb. I am drinking, estoy bebiendo. I am walking, estoy caminando. She's teaching, está enseñando. They are listening, están escuchando. Okay? So I hope this is clear. Remember, there are some exceptions with the would verbs and other verbs that change, and also with the reflexive verbs. Okay? Questions? Preguntas? Problemas? I hope this is clear. It is not so hard. So we can practice in class. Gracias.